Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Micromax has just launched the In2B smartphone today, which is a budget smartphone. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and show you our first impressions. So here is the box. In the front of the box we have the "We are in for India" tagline along with the model name In2B by Micromax. At the back we can see the specifications, and the variant we have has a 4GB RAM and a 64GB storage. And here we have some key features such as it comes with an octa-core processor, 13 plus 2 megapixel dual camera setup, 6.52-inch mini drop display, 5000 mAh battery with 10 watt charger. And here we can see it comes with stock Android experience with no ads and bloatwares installed in this phone. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top first we get this protection plan details which you can buy separately, and then here we have the phone itself. We will look at the phone in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the SIM ejection pin, and then we have the user guide, and after that we get this clear case along with a screen protector. And then we get the Type-C charging cable, and then here we have the 10 watt charger. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the phone closely. Micromax In2B is a budget segment smartphone. Looking at the design and build quality, we have a very similar design which we have seen in 1B. And here at the back we have this dual tone texture. But guys, I find the build quality and design of this phone very good. You get a good feel when you hold the phone in your hand, and the body of this phone is sleek and the thickness is less than 9mm. This phone will be available in 3 colors: blue, green and black. Now in terms of the overview, in the front we have the 6.52-inch HD Plus screen which offers 89% screen to body ratio, and you get the max 400 nits brightness in this phone. You have the drop notch in the top which has the 5 megapixel front shooter. On the right side of the phone we have the power and the volume buttons, and on the left side we have the SIM tray, and it's a triple slot tray. At the bottom of the phone we have the Type-C port along with the mic and 3.5mm headphone jack. Now looking at the back of the phone, as mentioned earlier, you get this dual tone texture at the back, and on the top we have the camera setup, and here we get the 13 megapixel primary and 2 megapixel depth sensing camera. We get the Samsung sensor in the main camera which offers f1.8 aperture along with the 4x zoom. Then at the back we have the fingerprint sensor, and you also get the face unlock support in this phone. At the bottom we have the in branding along with the speaker next to it. Now let's turn it on for the first time. Meanwhile the phone is turning on, here are some more hardware details. So we get the Unisoc latest T610 octa-core processor along with the Mali G52 GPU. This phone is available in 4GB RAM and 64GB storage, and 6GB RAM and 64GB storage, and you can expand the storage up to 256GB with a micro SD card. We get the 5000 mAh battery in this phone with 10 watt charger, 13 plus 2 megapixel rear camera and 5 megapixel selfie camera, dual VoLTE and dual VO Wi-Fi support, and lastly you get the pure Android R experience. So our phone is set up and ready to use. Now let me give you a quick overview. So guys, Micromax claims this phone as a no-hang phone, and believe me, the phone feels snappy and it's pretty fast while opening different applications. And the app load time is definitely less as compared to other phones in this segment. So after the first boot, we have approximately 54GB storage available out of 64GB, and here you can see we have the Android R in this phone with the June security patch. And guys, I must tell you that because of the stock Android, the user experience on this phone is very good, and this phone comes with 0 ads with no pre-installed apps and bloatwares. Now talking about the performance, let's talk about the processor first. So we get the Unisoc T610 octa-core processor, and here in this we have 2 Cortex A75 cores running at 1.8 GHz, and we get the 6 Cortex A55 cores running at 1.8 GHz. Now about the benchmarks, we have done the AnTuTu benchmark, and we got a good score of approximately 1,55,000 for this 4GB variant. And here is a Geekbench score. We got a 348 for a single core and 1165 for the multi-core. I have also played Battleground Mobiles India on this phone, and talking about the graphics, you get the ultra frame rate in smooth and balanced graphics, and the highest is HD graphics with high frame rate. But in terms of the gaming experience, it's very good, keeping in mind it's a budget segment phone. Now talking about the screen more, the HD Plus screen is decent on this phone, and because of the full screen design, you will have a good experience while watching movies and videos on YouTube. and overall the screen performance is decent. Now about the camera performance, my initial impressions about this camera are mixed. The rear camera comes with the auto HDR support, which by the way captures some decent photos during daytime. But in low light, the performance is just average, and we had similar experience with the front camera, but overall, the camera performance on this phone is just average. Now lastly about the battery, you get the 5000 mAh battery on this phone, and the battery backup is very good. So with the moderate usage, you can easily get a battery backup of up to 2 days. So overall the Micromax N2B offers a good design and build quality. The hardware specification is decent and performance is very good, and it's definitely a no-hang phone. And on top of it, you're getting the pure Android experience. So performance wise, we are happy with this phone, and you can also use this phone for some casual gaming. But guys, at the moment, the camera performance is average. You can capture some decent photos during daytime, but it struggles at low light. We hope Micromax can improve the camera performance with an OTA update. So to sum it up, if you're looking for a budget segment smartphone for your daily usage, then you can definitely consider this newly launched smartphone from Micromax. At the time of making this video, we're not sure about the pricing, but we expect the 4GB variant to be priced at around 8000 rupees. We will update the pricing and availability in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Micromax N2B smartphone. Let us know if you like this smartphone, and also do tell us if you have any queries or questions about this smartphone in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.